That's our project. All right, so today we are going to be installing a hose holder on the side of our condo. As you can see, I've got some help. So we're going to start off by figuring out where we want to put this. So let's position it where we think it'll be okay. It's a little too low, I think. We'll go right here. It's heavy. Alright, so we have our holes marked. Let's go ahead and make sure that it's level. It looks like it. Alright, now let's start drilling. So I've got a 3/8 concrete drill bit. I'm going to put in these 3-inch 3/8 anchors. Hold it in place. You're going to help me? Okay. So this is where we're going to put our first hole. You ready? Okay, count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
What did you do?
Stand right here.
See?
Stand right here and wave at the camera. And say, hello, my name is Ethan. Right. You got your helmet?
My helmet and my hood. I can make it though.
You got your drill gun. Good. You get it in there? Good job.
I'm different. Because every time I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna talk.
You gonna talk?
Yeah.
And say hi. You say hello, my name is Ethan.
My name is Ethan. How are you doing?
I'm sure everybody's doing good. Are you helping me hang up the hose holder?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you doing a really good job?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
And you got your tools to help?
Yeah.
Good job.